then anong next mo po, ate?
For me, is the lipstick. Just do what you're doing. I'm using with Charm. I used to like put some, what you call this one, blush on into my face, but then, I want,
Can make yan, ate?
no, with Charm.
This eyeliner pencil.
Okay, I'm all done. I actually have here blush-ons with me. I also have her Caroline's blush-on. Okay, I'm just going to use the Caroline blush-ons now and then. I have some a little bit of blush-ons. Bachi. See?
Dapat dito, ate. Dito.
Taas?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kasi kapag dito, bumababa kasi yung face.
Oh.
Yeah, dito. Dito. Sa taas ng...
Kuchi? Sa may bandang eyeball?
Yeah. Diyan. And kapag blined mo, ate, pag ganyan lang, hindi pa baba. Kasi yung face mo...
Pag ganon?
Hi. Yung face nagda-down.
Nagkalat na. Ahin ko na lang.
Eyeliner.
Tukti.
Dore.
Fingers naman ng tinte. That's why I'm not really used with like putting blush in. Okay, din eh. And of course, kailangan din ayusin ang aking hair. So I'm ready to care. And then after that, we're going to put...
Ito, ate, this one.
Later.
Done na. This. My makeup is very lightly.
At least di naman ganun ka, ano. Because it's summer. And then if you're going to wear a very heavy makeup during summer, wala. Unas na. Because you're going to end up like walking with swilly face. Okay. Let's just put inside some of those. Ta-da! Okay, this. And then...
Are you done, ate?
Yes, I'm already done. That's okay. You can actually like...
Next one is this.
What's that?
Judy Doll.
Contour.
Contour.
Oh!
Contour
See?
and highlight.
He has also contour and highlight.
Yeah. Para ano, matangos tingnan yung ilong.
Oh, hindi naman pagmamayabang pero okay matangos-tangos naman yung ilaw.
Para may nose bridge.
Nose bridge. London Bridge is falling down.
Yes.
See guys, but just this one.
Wow, baby girl.
Oh, that's so cool. And then after that,
Then after that, dito.
I'm going to draw a nose.
Then blend.
So you need to like blend it because some of others use it and if they don't blend it, it really shows that you're drawing something there. So much better to blend it and look natural. Hi.
Yeah. More on enhancing your features lang. Yeah.
After that,
ano pa ba?
how about the eyeshadows? You won't use eyeshadows? Okay, she won't use them.
Eyeshadows.
Of course, if I'm malakas on credits too.
Dio.
Siguro. And then after that,
we will do this lipstick.
okay, she's using Cezanne. Oh,
Parang nude.
nude lang din yung ano.
Kakulay lang din ng
Para as bilis, natural.
yeah. There.
Okay. O, diba? Mukha lang hindi kami naka-makeup, pero meron na yun kasi we need to look presentable. And
Then here, this gloss.
oh.
Also from Dior.
Ang malakas sa mga makeup. And then,
Dito, kapag gloss, hindi dapat lahat. Dapat
Okay.
dito lang sa shiny part. Sa baba, tapos dito sa tip.
nandi?
Para kapag, pag-reflect po ng sun, or like ng ilaw, dito lang siya mag-reflect. Hindi siya mukhang
Ay,
only
hindi.
lang.
Yung hindi ka mukhang katatapos ng kumain ng lechon baboy.
Yeah. Tsaka you have to like blend this.
Wow.
A little is enough. Then,
Sigoy. O, see? Natural. Oh, walang halong chemical, pero nag-makeup talaga. And after that,
last one would be, highlighter.
oh,
This is from CanMake.
may highlighter
Gusto
pa.
mo ito, highlighter? Ito, pwede to dito. Sa tip ng nose.
For, like, it looks,
Para na-highlight yung nose.
oh.
Kasi diba, nag-contour.
So, if you're going to use like that, without the contour, ang pangit tingnan.
Pwede lang din po, but mas better kasi kapag may, highlight. Tingnan. May difference kapag nag-aano yung light.
Oh, see, so it was all the lightnings.
Yeah. Then, if you like it.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, that's it.
And then, nawalimashita! So, we're ready now, and then we're going somewhere. So, that's for our first episode. And once again, it's me, Curl27, and
Kylie.
so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye!